In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a web dashboard that pulls data from SurveyMonkey. To do this, I'm going to be using the online free web app StyleBI. To start off with, sign into SurveyMonkey.com in the same browser that you'll be using StyleBI in. As you can see, I'm already signed in. So here are some of my surveys. Next step is to sign into StyleBI. I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. Select connect to a data source. Scroll through the list of data sources. Select SurveyMonkey. Create. And now when I click authorize, it's going to generate a token. Okay, now it's showing the different authorizations that I've given to StyleBI concerning my SurveyMonkey data. I'm going to click authorize. Need to do a little test to show that I'm not a robot. Okay. Now my authorization is successful, so I'm going to go back to StyleBI. As you can see, by authorizing, I generated a token. So now I click OK. Next step is create a query. Select SurveyMonkey. And I'm going to be using the errors endpoint so that I can make a dashboard of the errors that occur during SurveyMonkey surveys. Uncheck expand arrays. Click OK. I'm going to save my data worksheet. Next step is create dashboard. And now it's brought me to the visualization recommender, which will recommend different charts and table types based on the data I select. So I'm going to select the names of the errors. I'm going to select the totals. Now it's selecting a bar chart, but I think what would look better would be a pie chart, or even better than that, a donut chart, which is basically a pie chart with a KPI in the middle. So if I click finish, adjust the placement and the size, continue, save my dashboard. Okay, so now I have a donut chart that displays the proportion of different error types and also the total number of errors. Now I'm also going to add a filter for error type so that in the dashboard, I can focus on certain types of errors and see their proportion to each other. And by hovering over, I can see their numbers. I'm going to unselect here. And in addition to that, I can also facilitate drill down by adding a table and setting it as a flyover. So I just dragged out a table. I'm going to change the size a little bit. Click edit. Now I'm adding the name of the error. And also, I'm going to add the reference URL. I click finish. And now I have a table of individual row level detail data that shows the data for the individual error instances as well as their type. And to help me investigate further, I'm going to facilitate drill down by setting this table as a flyover for my chart. So I'm going to select the chart, right click, select properties. I'm going to select the table as my flyover, click OK. And now when I view my dashboard, if I mouse over different error types, the table will update to just show the instances of those errors. So let's say if I'm focusing on permission errors, I can click on that, select it, and now the table just shows the instances of permission errors along with the reference URLs for the individual error instances, and I can use those URLs to investigate the particular error instances. So that's how you create a dashboard from SurveyMonkey using the free online web app StyleBI.